If you are planning to appear for TANCET 2026 for MBA or MCA admissions in Tamil Nadu, this video is extremely important for you. Let's talk about the TANCET 2026 registration process, the delay, expected dates, and everything you need to prepare right now. Why is TANCET 2026 registration delayed? Anna University has not yet released the official notification for TANCET 2026. This has created concern among MBA and MCA aspirants because in previous years, the application process usually began in January. However, for 2026, there is no official update yet, and the registration is already delayed by around 4 to 6 weeks compared to the usual timeline. But don't worry, based on past trends, the registration is expected to begin in early March 2026. What was the pattern in the recent years? Let's quickly look at the previous years. For TANCET 2024, application started in January, registration closed in February, exam was conducted in March. For TANCET 2025, applications again started in January, closed by February, exam held in March. So clearly 2026 is slightly different because the official notification has not yet been released. Expected TANCET 2026 schedule. Based on the current delay pattern, registration may begin in early March 2026. Application window may remain open for about 2 to 3 weeks. Registration could close by mid-March. Admit cards are expected in late March. The exam may be conducted in early April. Remember, Anna University usually conducts the TANCET exam within 20 to 22 days after the registration closes. So, once the notification is released, things will move quickly. Documents required for TANCET 2026 registration. Make sure you keep these documents ready in advance. First, a recent passport size color photograph 3.5 cm by 4.5 cm in JPEG format. Second, a clear scanned signature in the specified dimensions, preferably done in black ink on white paper. Third, your educational certificates, class 10, class 12, and your degree mark sheets and certificates. And if applicable, your caste certificate for SC, ST or OBC reservation benefits. Preparing these documents now will save your time later. How to register for TANCET 2026 step by step. Here's how the registration process will work. Step 1. Visit the official Anna University TANCET portal. Step 2. Create your account using your email ID and mobile number. Step 3. Fill in your personal details, educational qualifications and program preferences. Step 4. Upload your photograph, signature and required certificates. Step 5. Pay the application fee through online banking, debit card, credit card or UPI. Step 6. Carefully review all the details before final submission. Step 7. Download and save the acknowledgement for future reference. Always double check your details before submitting. Corrections may not be allowed later. Important advice for aspirants. First, monitor the official TANCET portal daily in early March. Second, keep all your documents ready in advance. And third, apply as soon as the registration window opens because the application period is expected to be short. Final reminder, the delay may feel stressful, but there is no reason to panic. Stay prepared, stay updated, and once registration begins, complete your application within the first few days. For the latest updates on TANCET 2026 registration, admit card and exam dates, keep following College Dunia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your TANCET 2026 preparation.